It's not a coincidence that this has found you. If this message has found you, it is for a reason. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Melissa Senkel. I'm honored to have you here. This is a very specific collective message that is coming through right now. And I'm whispering because there's a lot happening under the surface. There's a lot going on in the unseen realms right now, but you can feel it. You can feel it. I'm hearing Spirit say, put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. There's an exciting energy right now because this collective that I'm talking to has been through HE double hockey sticks. Hell, you've been through hell. I'm not gonna start shuffling yet. I'm just gonna channel, hold on. Okay. This collective that I'm talking to, there is an exciting energy and a timeline shift taking place right now in your life. Spirit is saying, put some respect on my name, meaning you. You deserve to be respected. And there have been people that you have had to deal with in the last couple of years who are not respectful to you. People who did not honor your divinity. People who did not take accountability for their actions. Oh, God sees everything. Sophia, Source, Creator, whatever you want to call that which goes by thousands of names but cannot be named, sees everything and has been keeping score and has been watching. Judgment Day is here. Judgment Day is here. And there are some people that you are their tower moment. Put some respect on my name. The divine has removed you from people, places, and situations that were all just a necessary part of your soul evolution and the lessons you had to learn, but you were never meant to stay there. You never were meant to stay there. You didn't belong there. You are not a vibrational match for those people or those places. Sweet one, you are different. Put some respect on my name. I feel that. This is powerful, okay? Okay, Spirit. Angels. What does this collective need to hear? This message is deeply warded and protected. So Spirit's coming through here right now with a message of protection, as well as reminding you of your connection to them and the divine. They're also saying, I'm getting hot right now. Whew. They're also saying, follow your intuition before it makes sense. So, you may be guided to take certain actions and do specific things, but maybe you're like, I don't have X, Y, Z in order yet. Why would I go do this? Trust your intuition and whatever nudges you have been guided to take, things that you are being called to do. Trust it. It's a part of this timeline shift, a part of the confidence, a part of you trusting yourself and your connection to God. This timeline shift and this justice is between you and God. God's like, I see you, baby. I see you. I see what you did. I see how you alchemized that. I see how you learned. I see how you stayed humble. Your ancestors are coming through right now. Your ancestors aren't so humble. Some of your ancestors are ready to... okay. Some of your ancestors are ready to come to bat for you to restore this justice and this balance. There is a very stable beginning taking place right now. A very stable foundation that you are standing on. We have the Emperor coming out. Mountain lions, cougars are significant to this because it makes me feel like, yeah, I can feel this very strong right now. Mountain lion, cougar is a power animal of mine that I work with in my shamanic training. And what I'm feeling from the energy of this specific guide right now is the ability to track and discern between shadows and hard, difficult times, going up the mountain, navigating the difficult terrain, yet also remaining fierce and in your power and the top of the food chain. Wow, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Focus and stability. Is that what that card says? 6 of Wands? Okay. Yeah, thank you, Spirit. What did I just say? You are somebody's tower moment. You have 6 of Wands and Queen of Wands. You are attracting in this brand new timeline. This success after all of that shit. God sees you. Knows what you just had to go through. All the tower moments that you had to face. Balance and justice is taking place. You are now becoming a tower moment for people, the villain in other people's story, because you're the hero in yours. Queen of Wands, 6 of Wands, attracting in this new beginning, this new timeline. All right, now Spirit, is saying there are some financial opportunities and offers coming in that you've been manifesting. Wow. We have the Knight of Cups coming in, emotionally fulfilling offer. You're going to be given this offer, so for some of you, Spirit is saying there is financial opportunities for a portion of this collective. There is love and travel opportunities for another portion of this collective, moving into your new home. And for some of you, everything all at once. This new timeline is just like ding, 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 aligning. That's why I was whispering. Because reality is currently shifting around you in your favor. Hermit mode is very important right now. Spending time with yourself and protecting your energy and staying close with your spirit guides, listening to your soul, listening to the divine guidance. That is very important right now. You have an emotionally fulfilled Spirit is showing me like you're going to be given an offer that you're just going to be like, really? Is this for me? And Spirit is guiding you to stay quiet about it. I'm not saying don't celebrate. Celebrate with someone you trust, yes. But there's people, remember what I was saying, your other people's tower moments? There are people around you that want a piece of that pie. They're not meant to have any of that pie. This is your dessert that you deserve. 9 of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. Clarity, whole new beginning, Ace of Swords energy, clarity, clear direction is what Spirit's saying. So it's really important for you to stay connected with Spirit. Clear direction, divine guidance, following that. 9 of Pentacles, security and abundance. Remember I said your ancestors? This fighter always makes me think of ancestors, specifically maternal lines. But it just makes me think of ancestors. But a balance is taking place. A balance is taking place. And this one card always makes me feel like the bag is secured. There's no need to fear. Like the bag is secured. This whole time, okay, thank you. She's saying this timeline is secured. Creator is saying your timeline is secured. It's giving destiny. Now I'm hearing lotto. It's giving boss bitch. I don't think this is a word. So it's a rapper. She's a female rapper. It's like, it's giving rich bitch. Like that's like the energy, but like, you know what I'm saying? Like that's just the energy of the song. It's like, it's giving, I got you. I'm taking care of you. I've seen what you've gone through. I've seen what you've alchemized and how you've dealt with everything, and I'm going to reward you now. Not even like reward as if like you had to, you get what I'm saying? Like your soul expanded and went through a deep evolution and lessons that you had to learn. And now it's like, okay, that wasn't for nothing. Here you go. Aho. Wow. Hermit mode. Protect your energy. Protect your energy. Make every moment sacred. Stay close with Spirit and follow your divine guidance. If you're interested in anything that I offer, everything that I offer is linked in the description. I have my online Usui Reiki training workshops. The Remember course is currently on sale for the 11/11 portal. It's 50% off. That is all of my online workshops. So if you're interested, go check that out. I love you. Goodbye.